This is Selena of Selena Hudson Designs. This is my product, which is camera pendants that I'm showing you guys. You can go to my Etsy shop, Selena Hudson Designs, or go to my website, selenahudsondesigns.com, and then you can get your own pack of cameras and join me with watercoloring and how to make everything. This is me showing a cute camera that you can get, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So first, you'll want to get it all out of the package, you know, show the circle and see how everything works. And then you will want to get all your watercolor stuff out, and this paintbrush I use is really good. Then you can get any kind of watercolor palette that you want. This one's just one that I got from Hobby Lobby, so you can use any colors you want. But for today I am using pink, red, and white. So you can choose from whatever colors, but that's the ones that I'm going to be showing today. So now I'll be showing you how to put fabric right into my camera frame. You choose an area of like the fabric, like how I'm choosing the heart. You push in, and then it is in there. Then I'm showing you how it looks. Then all you will have to do after this is cut the fabric and get it as close as you can to the circle, but you know, don't get it too close that you can't glue it back. But you just need to get all the extra fabric off. And then once you get to that point, then you will need to glue all the sides. So you will need to cut a circle so then you can have a perfect back. And of course, if it ends up being too big, like what I did, then you can just cut a little bit more of the edges off. You want to try to get it as close as you can to that circle, but this is where you can just guess and, you know, try to get it as close as you can. Then you will place it there to make sure that it's the right size, which looks about right. Then you get your tacky glue again, and then you add more glue into the middle, and then you get your circle and then place it right on top, and then gives a good push. Get, you know, it all pressed down, and then if there's extra glue on the edges, just wipe it off. Then after that, let it dry and it's ready to wear.